Tech is a fast-paced industry. Crazy, right? So it's natural that there are tons of new gadgets on the market. I've rounded up some of the coolest and most innovative gadgets on the market for you to check out. If you cannot be subscribed to our channel, so please subscribe our channel and watch this video. Number 1. Dimenco SR Pro Display. Visualize any 3D and spatial form like never before with the Dimenco SR Pro Display 30-8 Kelvin monitor. In fact, the display creates a sense of volume and depth that you can easily experience without any wearables. The ARCore eye tracking technology uses vision sensors and face recognition algorithms, so you can experience spatial form content easily with this display. The spatial reality precision gives you a full look-around view of the 3D object from all angles. Additionally, the display also flaunts a resolution up to 8 Kelvin at 60 FPS. You can also easily switch between 2D and 3D views. Together with the simulated reality 3D technology, this display gives a natural presence to otherwise static and flat images. Finally, the breakthrough light field display can be experienced by all. Number 2. LG Signature OLED R Rollable TV. Get the best of both worlds with the LG Signature OLED R Rollable TV. Boasting an ultra-thin display, it seamlessly rolls out from its base to reveal a luxury TV for an immersive viewing experience. Once rolled back down, the LG Signature OLED R transforms into a state-of-the-art Dolby Atmos sound system. This luxury design and concept is possible thanks to OLED self-lit pixel technology that provides maximum flexibility. Additionally, this rollable TV rolls out to 3 different heights that complement your space. Roll it out to full view mode, and it'll produce sharp pictures, swift gaming, and smooth sports. Or switch to zero view to make the most of your space. Also, LG Think responds to simple voice control commands. Overall, it fits into your lifestyle to appear when you need it and disappear when you don't. Number 3. Samsung Bot Handy. Need a little help around the house? The Samsung Bot Handy household robot might be just what you need. This useful robot recognizes and picks up objects of different sizes, weights, and shapes thanks to advanced AI. In fact, this cool robot can even recognize the different material compositions of objects. This way, it uses the correct amount of force to grasp and move items. While this household gadget is still in development, for now, it features a single arm that pivots at 3 points, just like a shoulder, elbow, and wrist. So the Samsung Bot Handy household robot becomes a dependable helper for tackling chores like sorting dishes and tidying messy rooms. It's sure to find many uses in homes with busy families. Number 4. Virtuex Omni One VR. What you need to make your home virtual reality experience as great as possible is to be able to move all over the place. With the Virtuex Omni One VR treadmill, you can do just that. In fact, this home VR treadmill lets you move up, down, side to side, and in all 360 degrees. What's more, it can even detect if you crouch or kneel, as you're probably known to do during your games. Furthermore, the Virtuex Omni has a diameter of only 4 feet, so it won't take up much space in your home. And you don't have to worry about getting hurt because you strap yourself into the vest first. With an adjustable height, this gaming gadget is suitable for a wide variety of users, feeling like an extension of your body. Number 5. Digit Bipedal Robot. First announced in Q1 2019, the Agility Robotics Digit Bipedal Robot costs a 6-figure sum. The robot comes in the size and shape of a small adult human. With the help of LiDAR and other sensors, the robot can identify environments and easily deliver packages weighing up to 40 pounds or 18 kilograms. Use it in a variety of locations like logistics, warehouses, telepresence, and industrial inspection. Although Digit can perform its operations autonomously, it cannot adapt to new operations as easily as a human can. Likewise, the primary purpose of designing this robot was to make package delivery seamless someday in the future. For example, these robots can travel around in self-driving cars and deliver packages easily at your doorstep.